On this video, I'm going to share with you how you can actually list items by making some Google search, and how you can just copy these items you've listed and paste it and start making money off of it. So you may want to stick around to the end. Now, to get started, you're going to go to Google and search for this website called Listverse. Now, you may have heard about Listverse from other places, but I'm going to share with you what they are not actually telling you about this website on this video, and of course the type of content you need to list to be able to make money using this website. And even if it doesn't work for you, I'm also going to show you another way you can actually make money by listing items. So since it has opened, and I'm going to click this one that says list versus top 10 list. Now the website is opened. Now I need you to pay attention on this website and see the type of things that are on this website. There are lots of categories you can actually list items on, ranging from movies to humans to our world to weird things, anything at all you can actually think of, technology, innovations, and of course entertainment too. So if you take a close look at these items, it's not just something you can just pick from somewhere and paste on this website, because you can see it says 10 short-lived TV series that thrived in reruns. Like things that already existing, but nobody have made any list about them. These are the type of things that you are expected to make list about on this website. Now if you take a very good look, you see and understand what I'm talking about. This one says 10 fascinating syndromes that only exist in your head. It's something that you have to make up, that that nobody has made up before. These are the type of lists you're going to make on this website. Now let's take a look at what you need to know before you be able to start making your writings on this website. So once you click here, it says write and get paid. You're going to see the rules that comes with writing on this website. So here is how it works. You write your list, 10 items per list minimum. You send it in, they reply, they say great, we'll publish it, and then they will send you $100 through PayPal. Like, you just have to have a PayPal account. And if they don't approve your write-up, they're going to send you a notification email to let you know that they didn't approve of your listing. Not accept any list from you if you don't have a PayPal account. So you have to make sure you have a PayPal account before you be able to start making your submissions on this website. Now, here are some tips you need to bear in mind if you're going to be submitting your work on this website. One is that the work you're going to be submitting should be originally from you. That's what I mentioned when I said you must be the one to formulate this top 10 list, and there must be top 10 items on your list. It shouldn't go beyond 10. Another thing you need to bear in mind is that the number of words should be around 1,500 to 2,000 words before you're able to submit on this website. And of course, you should be able to follow the format that they are giving to you through the author's guideline on the website. So you have to go through. So assuming we want to write something like 10 uplifting stories to get you through the week, we can change it to like 10 uplifting stories to get you through emotional trauma, or through tough moments, or through tough times. So we're going to do something similar, and what we're going to do is we go to ChatGPT. So once on ChatGPT, we are going to ask it this prompt. So we asked ChatGPT to give us 10 uplifting stories about 2,000 words to 1. Get through toughest moments. ChatGPT has finished generating our write-up. Now, if you're going to be submitting to this website, you can just copy this, and I'm going to show you how you can rewrite it, and of course how you can check for AI, so that if they run it through AI checker, they will not be able to detect AI, because they want original content. Like, originality is what they are looking for. We're going to copy this bit by bit, and we're not going to touch the heading. We just copy the body. We're going to paste it here, paraphrase it. This is Quillbot. Now it has finished paraphrasing. We're going to copy it here. Now if you run this through an AI checker, you're going to say check for AI. See, it says your content appears human, so you don't need to worry about anything. So all you have to do is just to copy this and paste it on a notepad until you gather all of them. And here is why you should run it through a paraphrasing tool. If you copy this one now and go to this AI detector and paste it here, you click this and then you check for AI. You see, your content is detected as written by AI. So this is why you have to paraphrase this first using paraphrasing tool, and all these tools are completely for free before you start submitting on the website. So, and most importantly, you have to bear in mind that once you have made this list and submitted to them, it's more like you selling the ownership of your work to them. They have the right to use whatever list you have made anyhow they want it to be done. So once they have paid you, you have automatically sold the ownership of whatever you've written to them. So these are what you need to read through, the terms and conditions, before you start making your submission. If you're okay with them, you can just make your submission. If you're not okay, then you know that this website is probably not for you. This website does not accept listings from all over the world. Like there are particular countries they accept listings from, countries like Canada, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Australia, and South Africa are the countries they accept listings from for now. However, this point is what most people on YouTube don't really tell you about. They just copy PayPal payments that from somewhere and paste it and tell you that they actually made this money from this website, even when they don't reside in the countries that are eligible to make money. So you just have to bear this in mind so that you know if you are going to be using this platform or not. However, if you are interested in listing items and you are not in the eligible countries, I'm going to show you another way you can actually list items and make money off of it. So for the second method, if you check this YouTube channel that does shorts about top 10 lists, you can see that they have over 165,000 subscribers, and if you check them up on Social Blade, they make approximately $804 to $12,000 per month, and this is to show you that they're actually making money by just listing top 10 articles. So I'm going to show you how you can actually create these short videos and upload them on YouTube and start making money. And the best part is you can also upload them to TikTok, to Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and start making money from just uploading top 10 listed items. So to do that, you're going to go to this website called Video. That is where you're going to create everything with AI. You don't need to struggle about anything, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Before I continue with this second step, please take a time out, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I make videos about how you can make money online so that you don't miss out on anyone. I really appreciate you. In video, all I have to do is just to give it a topic. So I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to copy this topic. I'm going to go to in video. I'm not going to paste it here. Control V. Now it has pasted. I'm going to ask you to generate video. I already have an account with this website, so if you don't have any account, you may want to create one and start creating your short videos using the website. Now, while that is processing, this website is going to generate the voiceover, it's going to generate the script, it's going to generate the pictures or videos that it's going to put together to be able to give you something you are looking for. You don't need to stress yourself about editing or anything. So all you have to do is just give it a topic and it's going to do everything for you using AI. So it has finished processing and here is what it came up with.
Step into a world of resilience, hope, and triumph. We're diving into 10 stories that will lift your spirits and ignite your inner fire. Story 1, a young woman, wheelchair-bound but undeterred, conquers the highest peaks, proving limitations are a state of mind. Next up, a man who, after losing his job, creates a successful startup from scratch, turning adversity into opportunity.
Now, this is how you're going to be generating these videos or making these articles with AI and Google and every other tool that you'll be needing to be able to put these things together and make money off of it. And like I said before, you can post them on any social media platforms that you want. That is if you're not able to submit to this website, or even if you submitted to this website, you can actually do this video too and earn in both ways. So this is a very great platform for you to start making money on the side. Now, if you're interested in joining in logo contests where you can just design logos with AI and make money by winning a contest, you might want to check out this video. Or if you want to learn how to use already made digital products to make money, you also might want to check out this video. And also check out other videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Please don't fail to like, subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any part, and I'll see you in the next one.